and it's flawless AF. So this is the finished look of this unit. Now this is my first time collaborating with this company. This company's name is Ashimary Hair, guys. Absolutely love this unit. I still feel like my middle part ain't really middle parting, but y'all kind of get the idea. I like am never able to get that right, but it is what it is. So you guys can see that this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit, guys. It is a bust down middle part 30-inch unit, so it's super, super long. I will stand up and show you guys how long it is. It's actually very, very long. Now this unit is actually 250% density, so it's a thicker density. And when I found out they was sending it to me in 250, I was super excited because not only is it super long, but you get like a lot of volume with this unit. And I just love a straight bust down middle part unit for all season long. You have to have one for the summertime, you have to have one for the winter, you have to have one for the fall, spring. You just have to have yourself a bust down middle part unit. And the fact that this unit is 30 inches long, I'm super in love. Now obviously when you guys see the frontal, the 13 by 4 portion of this unit, and I just want to point out that this frontal is actually very, very large, like one of the largest cap size I've seen. Even though it is 13 by 4, I kind of feel like this is like a 13 by 9 or some shit like that. It is super, super, like the party space is very long on this one. I did go ahead and customize this unit, guys, around the thighs. I did baby hairs on both sides just because sometimes with hairstyles like this, I like to tuck it behind my ear just to give myself more of like a clean kind of, you know, cute look. So I did do baby hairs on both sides of the unit, and I feel like the baby hairs came out nice. Now this unit did come pre-plucked, guys, and it did come slightly bleached. So what I did do on the same day install, it took me about 15 minutes just to quickly bleach the knots, guys, and that was that. So that is one thing I can say that I did do to this unit. Other than that, I didn't tweeze it or do anything like that. So it comes to you pretty much done. All you have to do is go ahead and customize with baby hairs. Now for me, when I'm doing a middle part unit like this, I like to keep it sleek like this. So I usually won't do the baby hairs. But for some reason, I feel like the hairline on this unit was very pretty. And I was like, you know what? It lays very flat in the frontal ear. And that's another thing I want you guys to pay attention to when it comes to buying 13 by 4s, especially when it comes to straight units. Make sure that the frontal part lays flat. Like this unit lays super flat. I went through it with my hot comb and I sprayed some even wonder lace just to make sure everything stayed flat. And you guys can see that the unit is super straight, super flat, and very neat looking. So one thing about frontals, depending on the companies, depending on the brand, this company has it locked and loaded. The frontal density wise is perfect. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. So the 30 inches and everything just flows very nicely with this hair. I do like the fact that the front is about like a 24 inch or 22 inch, obviously starting at the base right here. So it's about like a 22 inch frontal part and it goes straight to the 30, but it kind of looks like a layered effect, so that I really don't care about. I think that came out really nice. They did a good job. I showed you guys how I cut the ear tabs and stuff like that. I just needed to customize this a little bit, like pull some cut some of the hair right here, but it landed on my head pretty well. You guys know I'm a medium to average cap size head, so I feel like this unit was holding locked and loaded with that, because if the wig fit me very nice. This unit did not come with an adjustable strap, guys, but it does have the hooks, and all I did was just adjust the hooks and everything is perfect. So of course I gotta come up close so you guys can see the lace, because this unit is so long. It's kind of hard to get this unit in the frame, but I'll show you guys up close what I'm talking about with the lace. The lace is very nice, guys, very simple, clean, straight to the point. Like I said, I can never get this middle part right, but you know, I be trying or whatever. But the lace is very pretty, guys. You guys can see the hair also straightens very nicely too. It's like butter, guys, very nice, soft, and you guys can see, look at that luster on this unit, very pretty. And like I said, the reason why I do the baby hairs, even though I'm not really like crazy with baby hairs, but I feel like with a straight unit, you want to do like a little extra something to it. So just to give it like a little bit of character in the front. So when I tuck it behind my ear, you guys can see that it just looks very natural and pretty, effortless on both sides. You really can't mess with this one. I absolutely love this unit, guys. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sending me this unit, guys. Absolutely love it. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the name right. I feel like I always mess that up. Pretty name for a hair company though, by the way. Just had to admit that, but yeah. So it has been a while since I reviewed a 250% density unit, guys, and I might admit that I really like a thicker density unit. I feel like this one in a body wave texture, which they do offer, which I selected the straight one instead. I feel like it would give really, really nice voluminous curls. So if you're someone that likes a body wave texture, I definitely recommend checking out their 13x4 body wave, 250% density. That's gonna give you the ultimate glam looks for the holiday season. Just kind of having like that full curl. So I definitely would love to do another one like this in a body wave texture, but the straight texture is just giving everything that it needs to give, guys. I absolutely love this unit. It looks very, very natural, simple. You guys saw the install is a very simple install. It's been a while since I've installed a 13x4 using glue, so it was, you know, had to go step by step and slow, try to make sure I got everything down packed, but it's very, very secure on my head. I use Even Wonder Lace glue and Even Wonder Lace spray, so the unit is very, very secure. As always, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's hair video. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, and I will catch you guys in a later video.